look, you see them two blood clot toilet water, you dip on the bumbo clot internet. But this and that. Oh, look where, I'm going to change the QR in a bumbo clot room, in the look old. All of them look old woman furniture. And you look boy, you need to go get up and go look work. You see when they look in work cost, brother. When they get up, I want to make old woman beat, you know, and chastise, you know, and tie you down in a blood clot house. Because you know want to live under old woman and old woman are going to blood clot money. Remember when the Queenie come by as a candle into the thief? After Queenie, you know, upstanding blood clot citizen. She's more of a citizen. Who the bumbo clot there? You know every day, boy, every day you Queenie get up in this all who no pan on blood clot life. All uno, see you know I go on, bro. All uno with the pan in blood clot life in this. And tell you if you can suck out the pussy. Can suck out the pussy. None of the fear tell me how suck for my husband. And my husband. And my husband. She talk fucking retarded. Some men understand. Yes, I bust up your face. I bust up your face. The bitch talk like Daffy Duck. Not no cute boy, you. So any day you find this a little all long time pussy will now work frozen pussy clot boy, you know. I'm gonna tell you about. Yeah man, me love. In the love industry like work. This a pussy wall ya. From you carrying which by you carrying, you not see that I look no work no way. Because you want to live underneath you like the old diaper them where you are wearing. You see me? You coming like the old diaper. So everybody will depend this. Yeah man. Yeah man. We love Queenie and do it. You know a pussy clot idiot. You know we get up and love anything because you don't have a blood clot man for yourself. You don't even have a man. You think my mama can't carry that nothing like that near me? Me poison mommy. You idiot. Me poison mommy and that. Even if I go in there and go inject them juice so when them drink that them dead. You see me? I say, oh, you idiot. Remember I said this is a mad blood clot old woman, you know. Look at this. When a bumbo clot idiot, the whole of us Jamaica, that's how we have one blood clot idiot have a fucking prime minister lead, you know. Because I be a bumbo clot idiot, you know. And you tell me if you not a blood clot idiot. If you get up and I say you respect one fucking idiot like that. This here is not even one woman. Well, I go come here just to come talk to you like a regular civilian. Man, stop! Me tell you this. Me don't know where to do. So I tell do it to them. Bitch spit the whole fucking thing. The whole time as this bitch attack, she spit straight. Me tell do it. You sorry, I did say mother. I did say come on, nigga. Your special needs. Like, bro, come on, nigga. Yeah, idiot. Who no get up? Make a crazy! Make a crazy! And Uno sit down in a full no blood clot chair. And I go tell me say, this is a CN blood clot. Uno see that you want medication. Uno no see. Say, Queenie want a medication, she want a operation, she want something. This your woman here, me see her daughter funeral. Ball out. Trisha! What? Hurry up! Jesus Christ! I can't believe it! I can't believe it! What? I can't believe it! What Jesus Christ? Oh no! Want to sit down right there, son. Tell me, Vani Samantha say that is a CN woman. Eh? I want CN woman that. Do it come up! Do it come up! Hear the fucking idiot then. And I comment. Real love. Father God, why me can't love some? God, I tell me I love you, me around there. What kind of love? Mad love? You not look down some psycho love? You not look for people for screaming on a blood clot face every minute? You not look for somebody that's come and tear out them here? Go away! Go away! Go away! Never calm down! Come on! Come on! Let us live! Let us live! Come on! Pick them, bro. Pick them over there, son. Pick them over there, son. Pick your fuck. When you look some big bumbo clock, lebe water. You see me? So, one time, me I go out sitting. I hold me seat, me hockey out. That alone madness. Be a madness. Spitting. I feel Bugs Bunny. I feel radicalism. Radicalism. No stuxism. Radicalism. No stuxism. Radicalism. No stuxism. Radicalism. No stuxism. Me bumbo lad. It's like you're Daffy Duck and your man a Bugs Bunny. Radicalism. Duxism. Radicalism. Duxism. Radicalism. Duxism. So, Uno, you say you are your man married and in love. But every minute, away you, Uno come out there. So, me can't come live as much as more. When me mash up and build back. Every minute, Uno come with this one wallop of publicity stunt nigga with tissue and forehead. Boy, suck your mama with that tissue there for your bum buckler for it and go. I want to tell you, you come like one little mama man, one little bitch. You are the kind of man that will come from blood clot yard and make y'all shit up and piss up in your blood clot face. Because you well want to go up and plane. You can't know see you over there and your mouth Queenie that the blood clot pussy. Bumbo clot! Hey, you know, let me tell you this. Me and your pussy, me and I'm that fam. Yeah, man, your standards to my truth. Me know say you there blood clot England and your mouth Queenie pussy. The whole of blood clot Queenie pussy there in your mouth. Me know that because she tell you, I be a Batman and Saddamite, she carry around in a thinking June Plum. That's why you're up there, you can't get to live your Batman ways them round she. Because when you look, Batman there in your house, Saddamite there in your house. So me know say Queenie sit down in your blood clot face. Queenie sit down in your face like say you are cheering her house. So you see one time the bumbo clot cheer gone out of your house, I saw we got hear blood clot Queenie mouth, you know. Because she not have you to sit down in your face. You one little bitch, get her sit down in your face and a bust it. The girl go so, as a Queenie deal with your face. You see me? Bust you up and pop in your blood clot face. I say you did well want to reach a blood clot England. So girl can just pop up it. Big old dirty long time whole poop. Be all poop in your thinking face. You have to up there. I don't know what to say about my wife. You know, I told her I need to go see my son and my baby mother telling me if I'm with her, she is not going to allow me to see my boy. You know? And it. Cause and it. I don't get to see. Stop to tell me something now, boy. Tell me something now. You have people mother gonna tell you say, if you say you never got Philippines from them long time there. You never Philippines from them long time there. Philippines not make you see in them. I should tell you this on the mother. You look like one of them look a body blood clot boy there. You hear that pussy? Someone who well want them on plane so much you know make girl just a pop up and a beat up and a shit up in her mouth. Hey boy, yeah, you make your woman this, your mother, pop up and shit up in your blood clot face, then come up on the internet. I'm going stopping for my true love. I'm going stopping for my true love. I know true love love this. True love! Ah! Ah! Im Ohr! and he's an idiot. Me not see them mad blood clot coke they and go take them up. Are you go do that for your own self, pussy, cause you look away out.